On this episode of the show, we're going to talk about how to stretch your IRA.
Creating wealth, protecting families, building legacy. This is the Rich Life Lawyer Show.
Hey everybody, this is Christopher Small, and this is episode 75 of the Rich Life Lawyer Show. I am your host. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm, and I am an estate planning attorney, and I'm super excited and pumped to be talking to you today about stretching your IRA to your beneficiaries. So one thing that people often don't know about or are confused about is when they have their IRA, their retirement account, whether it's a 401k or anything like that, when you have it, you can't take any distributions without a penalty until you're 70 and a half or so, and then you have to take the distributions on a specific schedule. Well, you can hand down your IRA to a beneficiary, and most people think that they are required to do the same thing, but that's not true. The beneficiary of your IRA actually has the ability to stretch the IRA if they want, or they can take a lump sum distribution at any time. The downside to taking the lump sum distribution is that they are then going to have to pay income tax on that. So if you have $100,000 in an IRA and they take a lump sum distribution, they're going to have to pay $35,000 right off the top. So all that money that you saved, all that hard work that you did, it's going to be gone. It's going to be paid to the government. And aside from that, most people don't want their kids or the person that's the beneficiary of the IRA to just put a large chunk of change in their pocket, because most people are just going to blow right through it and waste it. So you have the ability to stretch that IRA in a couple of different ways. A, you can rely on your beneficiary to do that. They have typically until September 30th of the year after you pass to elect to begin that stretch schedule, which goes on their schedule, not on yours. So if they're 25 and they are, their schedule gets them out to 85, then they'll take 1/60th the first year, 2/60ths the second year. There's an opportunity for significant growth of those funds over time. The second thing that you can do is create a trust specifically for your IRA and then make the trust the beneficiary of your IRA. The benefit of that is that you can require the stretch to happen. You can protect the IRA from creditors. You can protect the IRA funds from income tax generally, and from your beneficiary taking it as a lump sum and blowing it. You can essentially create a retirement account for your beneficiaries without them having to do that much work. I mean, think about what that would mean for your kids or for whomever you would want to give it to, your wife, your spouse, your husband. So that is how you stretch an IRA, and that's why it's important to think about how you want to treat your IRA before the time comes. If you simply give the IRA to your estate or give it to a beneficiary, then there's a significant chance that they're just going to cash it out and blow it, pay a third at least to the tax man, and then do whatever else they want with it. So most people don't want that. So stretch your IRA. Call me if you need help. I'd love to help you, 206-659-1512, or email me, chris@cmslawfirm.com. We can talk about your IRA. We'll talk about what's important to you and how to make sure that the things that are important to you get done when you're gone. Thanks.